So magandang araw ka ba? Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan nga po natin ito pong lumabas po na trade rumor patungkol nga po sa Ginebra, Cabola at ang Terra Firma Chip Cabola. Alam niyo naman na siguro kung sino ang player po ang number 1 po na involved. And then of course, pag-uusapan din natin napakasaya pong experience nating lahat na na-witness na nanalo po ang ating Gilas Pilipinas ng games against China and of course against po sa Jordan to win the gold. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So after 61 years Cabola, ibalik na rin sa atin po yung gintong medalya po ng Asian Games, and it's very wild. It's very shocking, Cabola, na nangyari ito sa isang team na, let us be honest, we did not expect them to win this tournament. For us, di ba? Kung nakapasok lang ng semis pa lang, actually that was already a big achievement, pero yung ipanalo nila, Cabola, of course that is much bigger. So respect sa lahat ng mga involved, respect kay Coach Tim Cone, respect sa mga players, respect si kina Calvin Abueva, kina Terence Romeo na hindi natuloy dito, Cabola. Pero at the end of the day, we all know who's the hero is. We all know this is all about Justin Brownlee, the guy. Take note, he did not only save us in that game against China, Cabola. Remember, he also saved us in that game against Iran. Ganun po ka-impressive ang naging performance ni Justin dito. And remember that he entered the tournament po na siya po ay may iniindang injury, and I do not think 100% talaga siya up to the finals, diba? Pero he still deliver, Cabola. So kakaiba talaga, no? Iba talaga yung magic ni Justin Brownlee. Kaya nga itong may nagsasuggest na dapat siya po ay mabuild po ng statue. I think he should get one, Cabola. He basically gave us that 61 years po na pagbabalik po nung gold medal ng basketball na Asian Games, diba? Siya po yung number 1 na siya. 95% of the reason. Without those heroic shots, Cabola, wala tayong gold medal ngayon, Cabola. So for me, he deserved that statue, Cabola. So it's very rewarding siguro sa mga naniwala po sa Gilas, sa mga sumuporta. And tama naman dito si POC Chief, diba? This is worth 1,000 golds, Cabola. Kahit po 1 gold lang actually ma-account po. Kasi we all know what is China to us currently, diba? With the issue po in the West Philippine Sea, we also know the problem in our basketball landscape, Cabola. So for them to win this one, it's very good, Cabola. And let us hope for the best of that national team, Cabola, na ito na nga si Coach Tim Cone mabigyan pa po ng mas mahaba pa pong leeway, Cabola, na ipagpatuloy po yung paglilid niya sa ating national team. Nagpumunta naman tayo dito sa trade rumor po na magandang pag-usapan. So may lumabas nga na ito nga pong si Stephen Holt and Andreas Cahilig daw papunta po ng Terra Firma in exchange for Stanley Pringle, Onubera, and Jason David. So pagkatingin ko pa lang po ng rumor, of course, sa napapuntong hina tayo, diba? This is so unfair, Cabola. 5 years in difference ni Holt at saka ni Pringle. I understand, si Pringle may napatunayan na sa PBA. And Holt, wala pa. Hindi pa siya nakakalaro ng isang laro. Pero, look at his credentials po, Cabola, diba? Credentials can speak for itself. This guy was a mythical team in the NBL. This guy is legit, Cabola, no? So, for him to be, kumbaga, equal footing with Stanley Pringle, who is 5 years older, too much, diba? Wag naman sana lokohan. Pero of course, ito lang naman rumor nito is nagsimula lang naman po sa mga Facebook pages, Cabola, na wala pa napapatunayan. So we believe that this is not a real trade rumor. Like napunta pa sa Ginebra si Andreas Cahilig, Cabola, who is one of the sturdiest po na gugay in the league, Cabola. So sobrang imposible po nito, Cabola. I hope it's not true. I hope this is not a trade. Even magdagdag pa yan ng Ginebra ng 2 first round pick, I do not think it's already a free trade, Cabola. So ikaw, Cabola, sa palagi mo sa trade na to, okay ba sa inyo? Comment lang po sa baba.